The Half Dome cable route is a bucket list climb for many, but getting a permit is just the first step to the summit. In this video, we take you through the route to the top. See you at the trailhead!
Our Half Dome permits were for day 2, so we did the El-Cap climb on day 1. To learn how we scored permits to hike both Half Dome and Whitney within 48 hours, follow the link below. Arrived this morning in Mariposa. Doing the El-Cap trail this morning. Plan to do a Half Dome tomorrow. Kind of smoky in the fires. You can smell as well. Hoping for good views on top, but not sure if we're gonna get them.
Alexander J. Honnold, born in 1985, free soloed Half Dome in 2008 and El-Cap in 2017. Sadly, he has no YouTube channel.
Top of Eagle Peak, which neighbors El-Cap. Around 77, 60 elevation gain. El-Cap is over there. Great view of Half Dome from here. Beautiful day today. Pretty hot. All right, Sunday morning, and we're at Half Dome. It's a little after 5:30. Getting ready for the hike. Any words of wisdom there? Tom's our subscriber that won the lottery. Top of Mist Falls. So we're above the ranger station, checked in our permit. Head up the sub dome, which is a pretty tough quarter mile up this. The cable route going to the top. It's pretty steep. We're a subdome. This is where we put on the harnesses, which I recommend at any age. I mean, it just gave it a sense of security going up the cables. I'm very glad we hiked it up there. The top of Half Dome. All right, so here we are on top of Half Dome. Did the cables the way up. What do you think?
It's a serious hike. Definitely not for the faint of heart. I think the harnesses definitely give you a lot of peace of mind. But it was really fun. Definitely a bucket list climb, as they say. might have.
Coming all down the switchbacks back down to the ranger station where they check for permits. These trees are just amazing. Nevada Falls. We chose to take the John Muir Trail back. Get some pretty views of Nevada Falls from here. So we left at 6 a.m. taking the Mist Trail over to the John Muir Trail to get up to Half Dome. The way back then is taking the John Muir Trail back. So it's good to take an early morning start, and John Muir Trail on the way down is a little less steep, but a little bit longer. Mist Trail that takes a lot of steps getting around the waterfall. And so we're going to take the John Muir Trail on the way back. And that's the Half Dome Trail. We completed it.
Be sure to check out our Mount Whitney video on how to win the permit lottery to see more of this trip.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks, and see you at the trailhead.
Pull off the road here a little bit. It's getting really